Hi, I'm Adam with Versatrans, the best in custom transfers and custom vinyl. And I want to talk to you about our EPT Quick Names and how they can be a great fit for your growing t-shirt business.
EPT Quick Names are screen printed transfers using plastisol ink, and they're a super easy and cost-effective way to name t-shirts or jerseys using only a heat press. And you get the soft feel and ultra durability of our EPT transfers at an even more affordable price point. Our quick names are available in over 100 stock ink colors, a variety of sizes, fonts, and a straight, arced, or arched. Once you've made your selections, we'll place as many names as we can fit onto our 13 by 19 inch transfer sheet depending on the size of the name. If it fits, it prints. Order as little or as many as you'd like, place your order by 6 p.m., and it'll ship the next business day. Once you get your transfers, just cut them out, press, and peel. We're here to help you grow your t-shirt business, and with the fastest turnaround time in the industry, long-lasting durability, and no screen or setup fees, we're confident that Versatrans is your best choice for speed, quality, and affordability.
Now, if you have any questions about EPT Quick Names, leave them in the comments below and we'll be sure to answer. You can also visit us at www.versatrans.com, or if you like talking with humans as much as we do, give us a call at 888-414-7604. I'm Adam with Versatrans. Thanks for watching.